Hi beautiful people, welcome back again. In this video, I am show you how to change the display refresh rate on mobile phone. You can follow this updated method guide to easily change the display refresh rate your phone model. Now let's get started. First, open settings. Once you are in settings, scroll down and open the display option. Once you are in the display page, scroll again down, locate the motion smoothness option and tap on it. Here you can see the all display refresh rate option there, such as 120Hz display refresh rate or 60Hz display refresh rate. Choose the one if you want to set. If you set your battery life, so I recommend choose the standard option. Get longer battery life with 60Hz screen refresh rate. After that, tap on the apply button and automatically change the display refresh rate your mobile phone. Thanks for watching.